Hey guys, how you doing? And welcome to another edition of Tip for Dummies. Today we will be changing the bearings, or one bearing on the front tire of a 2001 Ford Ranger. So the first thing you do is remove, lift the car, lift the vehicle, and then we take it from there. The first thing we do is, of course, loosening the nuts on the wheel tire. I don't have the crowbar. Yeah. Alright, so we're in the process of lifting the vehicle. We're loosening the bolts right now. You gotta loosen them so that when you lift the vehicle, they're already loose. You don't have to apply the pressure.
How come it ain't going in?
Alright, as you can see, we got the tower and the jack for safety, both. Now we're in the process of removing the brakes. Alright, so there's two bolts and it calls for a 15 millimeter, and we got to remove them. There's this one and the one on the top on the back of the caliper. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, te voy a enseñar cómo se quitan esos. Alright, so I want to show you, since it's so tight, we had to use this tube to remove it, to make level, and we're ready to take this thing off. Alright, man, this thing already broke.
Yeah, it's been broken since we were fixing.
Okay.
Do you mind? I'm like an old man. ¿Ya se quitó? Okay. Everything.
Remove them. Already got them loose.
Why do they keep on coming out, bro? Alright, welcome back to Deacon's Mechanics.
Let's completely remove those two bolts.
Today we are replacing the brake.
Alright, so we gotta remove the cover the other way, point it that way.
It's not even in. Look, wait, you have to do it on this side, Dad. Let me take all this shit off.
You're gonna make a little tap, there you go. And then just push it out from all over.
Hit it.
So now you're gonna get those pins straight with a screwdriver, so that way you can pull it out.
What do you mean? What do you mean straight?
Bend it.
How?
With your hand, dude. With a towel. Just like that, man. They're not that hard.
Oh.
Okay. Like that.
Okay.
Try to put it straight, so that way this thing can come out.
Like that? What do you...
So we have to remove that pin. Take the nut off. Here.
Oh, you just pull it?
Yeah, that thing, you just pull it.
The inside one?
Just put that one out. Pull it, pull it.
Shit, it's greasy. Got it.
Try to see if you can put it by hand. Unscrew it by hand.
Unscrew it?
Yeah. That bolt.
Okay.
So we're gonna remove that bolt. No?
No.
Okay.
You also want the umbrella?
It shouldn't be that tight. Huh? No, yeah, no.
No, you're not.
All right.
Feel so heavy with all this grease, bro.
Pull it out. No, the whole disc. And be careful with the washer, yeah. Alright. Okay, pull that thing out. Yeah, right there. How's that? Does that look pretty good? Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, so we need to go and get a new bearing.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Okay.
How much are those?
It's broke now.
Oh, greasy.
That's good
shit.
enough. So we took the back, look. So we took the back
God.
gasket out.
What is it?
What is that?
Piece of the metal. It just melted there.
That's crazy.
This truck's.
And dump them in the truck. Yeah, you gotta pack them like that. That's strong. Just keep going, keep going. And we're gonna pack the bearing. Yeah. All right, guys. So once we clean the back part, we're gonna throw the bearing already packed with the grease. And we're gonna put the seal back on. Clean this up. I forgot to buy the new seal, but I'm gonna put the same one. It's pack them up with grease. No, but
Gosh, that was all mine.
so we're gonna put the seal back on. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna put some grease on that part.
Oh, shit. Oh. All of it, right?
Yeah, just grease it.
Oh, let's get this bad boy dirty.
Thank you, Albertito. There you go. Now put the wheel back on.
Oh shit.
Now you're gonna clean the inside of that too. Use one of those.
Got it.
And we're gonna pack the other one.
Albert, your turn.
Whose stroke is it?
It was yours, technically.
Leave it like that.
I do believe it's under your
Pack them.
Huh?
Okay. Now you gotta pack them.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna pack the other small bearing. There you go. Just like that. Let's go pack them. The grease has gotta go through.
Here comes the thunder.
Alright.
Try to put more grease inside you. Grab it and put more grease inside.
Where, in here?
Yeah, right inside. There you go. Just like that. We're gonna throw a lot of grease.
Hell yeah, my tires gonna be spinning. Hey, pass me another towel, Albert. They're over there under the porch. Oh shit. Just go get one, it's just water.
I'll get it.
Oh shit.
Okay. Time to put the bearing in there.
Where's that?
Oh. Okay, espérate. Es que you shouldn't be afraid with the grease, man. Okay, now stick it in there. No, the other way, man. Come on, man, Diego.
Sorry.
So we're gonna put the. Yeah, there you go. Now you're gonna put the bolt.
Which one?
Where's the bolt?
Put some stuff up here. I got this stuff up here.
Don't forget the washer.
This one?
No, man, it had a bolt. I mean a nut.
It's somewhere around here.
The nut que le quitaste con esto. Where is it?
This one.
Yeah.
It's too greasy, bro.
Here. Now for the torque, go to the torque specifications. This one I believe doesn't have to be that tight. Get in like this. Okay, close it.
Ahí está.
Okay. Now where is the pin? You gotta put you gotta put that one in.
Ahí está.
Make sure it matches the hole, hijo. If not, you're gonna have to turn the nut where it matches the hole.
What do you mean?
You see that hole? It has to match one of these things, because that prevents.
There you go.
No, it doesn't match the hole.
Yes, it matched the hole. It went in. It's in.
How are you gonna put the pin in?
Oh, you're talking about those.
Yes. No, you gotta move the
There.
nut a little bit
There.
more.
Oh my god. It's not going to the one in the
Con el
bottom.
martillo. Con el martillo. Oh, the one on the bottom, yeah. That's gonna be a problem. So you have to probably turn
I got it.
Okay, see if you got it, then dale con el martillo.
Yeah, where is it? Like this. Just.
Okay, it's in. Now bend it. I'll put that thing on. And martillo.
Where's it at?
All right.
Now the brakes.
Now let's put the brakes.
God. Oh my.
So let's put it back in. Yep. Let's do this. There you go.
The back isn't going in. Is it in? There we go.
All right. Now we gotta match it up with the holes and put the bolts back in.
Hold this, Dad. Hold it like that.
Match the holes. Alright, so it was much easier to put the bottom bolt and then the one on the top. Now we have to just time this thing back on, and we have the clipper, we have the brakes, the caliper on. Okay, so we're in the process of just tightening the bolts back.
I'll tighten it more with the tube right now. Let's get this one first. Alright.
On top.
The top one's already tight, I just need to get it with the tube.
Okay, all we have to do is tighten it with the tube so that way we make sure it's really tight.
There we go.
There we go, another one on the bottom.
Got the caliper.
The brakes on.
I just don't want it to fall.
Okay. So we're putting the tire back on. Where did you left the bolt?
Inside in here. You open that door?
No.
Is the other side
Where's the
open?
keys?
No, it's not.
Alright, make sure you just put all the nuts. Lower the vehicle. Make sure you, once the vehicle is down, make sure you tighten the bolt really good. Back again. Con el tubo, hijo. All 5 bolts.